This here is a 1988 Takeuchi TB68 with 5,000 hours. Really good shape, nice and tight. Tracks are in good shape. All steel tracks. Pins are all tight. No leaky cylinders anywhere. It's got a Nissan 6-cylinder diesel on it. This machine weighs about 16,700 pounds. Comes with a mechanical thumb. There's the engine compartment here. Nice and clean. There's the thumb here. One thing on this is the pin here and link. The link has a weld right there. Okay, the parts are still readily available for this machine. Also, there's a weld here, but that's just for the pin. You can get the pins and this link, no problem for this machine. I'll take you into the cab here. We have cat controls. We have auxiliary hydraulics. There on the floor you'll see the hammer pad. There's the instrumentation. This thing even had an AM radio in it, huh? Ashtray, cigarette lighter. Still in pretty good shape for its age. All the gloss is there. It's got the roll-up front window, the sunroof. It's got the air ride seat in it. Heat. Definitely got to have the heat here. Really good, tight machine.